In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Monday.com forms. If you're looking to streamline your workflow, customizing these forms can make a big difference. Let's dive in and go through the steps to get your forms looking exactly as you need them. First things first, you'll want to open your Monday.com account. If you haven't logged in already, make sure you do so. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. This is where all your boards and forms reside, allowing you to easily access the specific form you're looking to modify. Take a few moments to locate the form you want to edit. Now that you have your dashboard open and the form you've chosen in sight, the next step is to actually click on this form. If you're not quite sure which form you need to edit, think about what specific information you need to gather or tweak. That should guide your decision. Once you've clicked into the form, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Edit Form. Click on this option. This is your main gateway to customizing your form however you see fit. Whether you need to update fields, change titles, or maybe even add a new section, this is where it all happens. Take your time to look through the form carefully and update the values or fields that require changes. Think about the flow of your form and the information you're collecting. Small tweaks can often enhance clarity and usability. When you have made your updates within the form, it's time to consider the settings. You'll notice a Settings button around this area. Clicking on the Settings button will toggle the Form Settings menu. Here, you can adjust a variety of options to ensure that the form behaves just as you want it to. Explore these settings to adjust any form-specific parameters like permissions, notifications, or even design elements that you want to refine. Tuning these settings can help ensure your form is not only visually appealing, but also functionally robust. Once you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, double-check your settings and updates before you leave. Doing so will help avoid any mistakes or extra work later on. Make sure everything looks good, and don't forget to save those changes so that your form will now reflect all the updates you've put in. By following these steps carefully, you'll be able to effectively edit and enhance your Monday.com forms to better fit your needs. This wraps up today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy form editing.